Okay, so let's do the coming attractions for GraphQL subscriptions. And in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to register my subscription using the Apollo Server GraphQL Playground. I do that by defining a subscription query for event added, which is the event I've created in my Apollo Server. And I click OK. But before I do, notice that I do have authentication information, so not just anybody can get into the API. And here's the authorization password. So I do that, and now I'm listening. Notice that I'm listening to the API for the subscription event added. So now let me go over to the ping mutation. What ping mutation is? It's a utility mutation that I created that does nothing more than send a mutation into the GraphQL API server, and when the mutation executes, it will generate a event added message that will be picked up and published by the subscription. So again, there's my authorization. I'm going to go ping. Now you can see I've pinged, and basically my message says, "How are you today?" And it's on Sunday, March 24, 2019. I can change the message to say, "Greetings from the trailer." And do this again. Now you can see that the mutation executed. So let's go back over to the listener on event added, and now you can see that the listener had a direct constant connection to the API via WebSocket, and that two messages were emitted. One was the first one saying, "How are you today?" and the second one was, "Greetings from the trailer." And we're going to go into the details of this during the presentation, but the important thing to understand is that GraphQL specifies subscriptions, and that a subscription is a way to listen for events coming out of the API, events messages coming out of the API continuously. So look forward to seeing you at the presentation on May 1st.